create a new page. So we're going to go to Pages, either All Pages or Add New. If we go to All Pages, you'll see that there's an option up here to click Add a New Page. So we're going to click on Add New. And here is your new page, and it looks very similar to your other pages, but it has no content. So here we're going to put the title of the page, and I think you wanted to call this Press. So we're going to add Press. Then we're just going to add a bunch of your information that you want to add there. And we're going to hit Publish. Very simple. But you'll see that it doesn't appear in the menu. So there's a second step that we need to take for it to appear in the menu. So we go back to the dashboard, we go under Appearance, and we click on Menus. And here you will see the menu edit page. Right here is your current menu that appears on your website. And we're going to want to add the new page we just created. So we're going to search in this little box here on the left and find our new page we created. We're going to click on Press, and then we're going to Add to Menu. And here you see it automatically adds to the menu, and it automatically adds it right at the bottom. So if you want to put this new page in a different position on this menu, you just hover your mouse over the menu, the new menu item, and get these crosshairs, and you're going to click and drag to where you want to add it. So you can see right here, but it's going to be appearing after coaching. Now if you go something like this, where it's indented a little bit, it's going to be a sub-menu item. So when you click on or you hover over coaching, Press will display as a sub-menu item. And if you want it to be a main menu item, you just make sure that they're all aligned. And once you've placed it in the position where you want it to be, you definitely have to click on Save Menu. And then you could go to your website and click Refresh, and you'll see that it is now added in the main menu of your website. Now the second step. You'll see by default this little blurb on this in the sidebar shows up, Evelyn Chow and your testimonials. So let's go back to Pages, and I'll show you where you can change these things. So let's find the new page we just created, and you'll see in the right side we're going to go down to Thesis Skin Custom Template. Now if you don't change this and it displays no custom template displayed, this is the default sidebar that will show up. You do have a couple of other options, and one is About, and you will see that if you click on About or Who Am I, your picture is what will appear. If you click on Services, it'll be what appears on the coaching and workshop pages. Now this has no sidebars, so there's no sidebars or widgets, and you can create these yourself by using the Columns plugin, and I'll show you how to do that. And then your last option, Contact, is your contact page, and it would display Let's Work Together and your contact information. So let's say you do want to have no sidebars. So if you select Services and you click on Update, you will see that if we go to the Press page, there are no sidebars present, and anything that you insert here will automatically justify to the left. But if you do want to add some visual interest to this page and apply some columns, you're going to insert what we call easy columns. So here you go, you can separate your page into various layouts. So let's say you want information in 1/3 and 1/3. So here you go, we've got 1/3 and then 2/3. So what you're going to do is replace this text with whatever you want to insert here. And additionally, in your 2/3 column, you're going to replace that text as well. And you're going to click on Update. And then you're going to see that it's divided into columns, 1/3 and 2/3. Now just a reminder, I think I may have gone over this in another video, if you ever insert these easy columns, you have to keep in mind that you need to keep this, they're called short codes, intact. So you want to keep the brackets, and this would be an opening short code, and this would be a closing short code. And of course you want to keep all that intact when you make changes or add new content. And that's it. Thank you.